Good morning, students. Underground capability. Underground cable essentially consists of one or more conductors covered with a suitable insulation and surrounded by the protecting covers. Although several types of cables are available, the types of cable used depends upon the working voltage and the service requirements. In general, a cable must fulfill the following necessary requirements. The conductors used in cables should be tinned standard copper or aluminum high conductivity. Standing is done so that conductor may become flexible and carry more current. The conductor size should be such that the cable carries the desired load current without overheating and causes voltage drop with permissible limits. The materials used in the manufacture of cables should be such there is complete chemical and physical stability. So next, what is stability? A cable is most often two or more wires running side by side and bonded, twisted or braided together to form a single assembly. Types of cables: 2-core cable, 3-core cable, 3.5-core cable, 4-core cable, armored cable and armored cable. So single core cables. A single core cable consists of standard conductors twisted together and housed in the PV14. The single core cable is yellow and is used for supplementary earth bonding. 2-core cable. The 2-core cable one conductor acts as a free and another acts as a natural conductors. Both the conductors have the equal cross-sectional area. It is used in telephone service and to connect computer device. 3-core cables. In 3-core cables, the conductors must have equal cross-sectional area. Standards carry RYB phase respectively. It is used as neutral wire. 3.5-core cable. Three conductors are high, same as cross-sectional area, are used for the different phase. Therefore, this conductor is treated as the half conductor and hence the name is 3.5-core cables. 4-core cable. In case of unbalanced load, some neutral can exist. Therefore, in some case, 4-core cable is preferred. It is used for lightning and load distribution applications where unbalancing loading conditions occurs frequently. Armored cable. Armored cable. It consists of one or more two layers of galvanized steel wire or steel tag. It is used for protection against mechanical injury. So unarmored cable. Constructions of unarmored cables are same as that armored cables, except that unarmored cables are not provided with the armoring. Unarmored cables also consist of all parts such as insulation, metallic sheet, bedding and shelving. Introduction. Cable. The conductor for transmitting electrical or optical signals of electrical powers. The electrical energy can be transmitted and distributed with the overhead transmission by underground cables. Among these two, underground is more preferred than the overhead transmissions. Next, the comparison between overhead line and underground cables. The electricity can be transmitted from one place to another, either the overhead lines or underground cables. Overhead lines inductance plays predominant role in the overhead lines. The installation cost is less. Overhead lines, the erection cost is less.